Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Shopify apps by exporting settings to CSV. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Shopify admin account. Navigate to the Apps section on the left sidebar. Locate the app you want to backup in your list of installed apps. Click on the app to open its settings. Look for an option that says Export or Backup Settings. If it exists, click on this option to initiate the export process. You may be prompted to choose the format for the backup. Select CSV as your desired export format. Confirm the export action if prompted by the app. Once the export is complete, a CSV file will be downloaded to your device. Open the downloaded CSV file to ensure that your settings have been saved correctly. If your app does not have an export option, note the settings manually. Create a new CSV file using a spreadsheet application like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Input the settings from the app into the new CSV file accordingly. Save the new file on your device once you have added all necessary settings. Repeat this process for any additional apps you wish to backup. Ensure that each app's settings are exported or documented for future use. Consider storing your CSV files in a dedicated folder for easy retrieval. Always verify that your backup files are secure and accessible. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.